you all are doing well. I am Dr. Sajila. Today we are going to learn the lesson named as Nyangal Pudhiya Thamasakkarana, which means we are new residents. We are going to discuss some new words from this session. In your daily life, when you try to communicate in Malayalam, it will definitely helpful for you. When you are interacting with people, you may have to ask questions to the people and have to give answer to their questions too. We should be able to communicate such situations using the vocabularies mentioned here. Let me introduce a few words for that. The words like Nyangal, Ningal, Thamasakar, Vadagakar, Alla, Pudhiya, Pazhaya and Nanni. The word Nyangal means we. That means including the speaker. When we are using the word Nyangal, the speaker is also involved in it. And Ningal means you. Here, speaker is not included in this word. Only hearer is included in the term Ningal. Thamasakar means residents and Vadagakar means tenants. Alla is the negative word. Pudhiya and Pazhaya are adjectives. The word Pudhiya means new and Pazhaya means old. The word Nanni is representing gratitude. Using these vocabularies, how we can communicate with others. We'll see through this conversation and examples. Let's move on to the lesson. This lesson is named as Nyangal Pudhiya Thamasakkarana, which means we are new residents. The word Thamasakar means residents. Pudhiya Thamasakar means new residents. The forms like Karan, Kari and Kar are usually joined with nouns and create new words. The form Karan is giving the sense of masculine gender and Kari is a feminine gender. The form Kar is used for both male and female and it is a plural marker also. Examples we'll discuss here. The word Thamasam means reside. It combines with masculine gender form Karan and the word changes into Thamasakkaran, which means male resident. Like this, the form Kari, which indicates female gender, which comes with the same word Thamasam, and Thamasam plus Kari became Thamasakkari, means female resident. The next form Kar is the plural form and which is used to represent for both male and female genders. Thamasam plus Kar, Thamasakkar. From the same word Thamasam, using the forms like Karan, Kari and Kar, we can create other words also. See some other examples. The word Vela means work and the form Karan is joined with it and became the word Velakaran, means male servant. Vela plus Karan, Velakaran. Likewise, the same word Vela can take the marker Kari. Vela and Kari make the new word Velakari, which means female servant. Then we'll check with the neutral and plural form Kar. Vela and Kar makes Velakar. Here, the meaning of Velakar is servants. It gives the meaning of plural. The next word, Tota, means garden. It will join with the three forms, Karan, Kari and Kar and results Totakaran, Totakari and Totakar. The word Totakaran means male gardener. Totakari means female gardener. And the word Totakar, which means gardeners. It is representing both male and female gardeners. Likewise, from the word police, we can make Polisukaran, Polisukari and Polisukar. Then, the title word, Nyangal Pudhiya Thamasakkarana. Here, Nyangal means we. Pudhiya means new. This word, Pudhiya, is showing the quality of something. Here, Pudhiya is modifying the word Thamasakkar. So, we are calling this word as Visheshana or adjective. The word Tamasakar, we already discussed that word. But here, Tamasakkarana. Here, three words are combined together and form a single word. Tamasam, Kar and Ana. Here, the formation of word Tamasakar combined with the be verb Ana and became Tamasakkarana. Tamasam plus Kar plus Ana. Tamasakkarana. The meaning of this sentence is, we are new residents. Now I will start with the conversation part. We'll see the first sentence. Here, one accountant is having a conversation with a girl named Nimisha. Accountant, Namaskaram. നിങ്ങൾ ഡോക്ടർ ശാന്തയുടെ മകളാണോ? Accountant, Namaste. Are you daughter of Dr. Shanta? As you know that the Malayalam word Namaskaram is used to greet others, this word has much more depth and meaning. It is a formal way to say hello used in both spoken and written forms. In this sentence, at the starting point of the conversation, accountant is greeting to that girl using the word Namaskaram. Then he starts his queries. He is asking to the question to that girl that നിങ്ങൾ ഡോക്ടർ ശാന്തയുടെ മകളാണോ? Which means, are you daughter of Dr. Shanta? Here the word ningal means you. Shanta is the person's name. Magal is the term used to refer daughter. But here, magalano, it is a question word. The be verb ana is taking question word marker O. In Malayalam, we have two question word markers, which are O and A. We'll see the usages. Like any verbs, the be verb ana takes O to the word final to make the question words. The word ana merged with the question word marker O and became ano. Ano becomes ano. And the word magal. Magal combined with the question word ano results magalano. Magal plus ana plus O. Magalano. Comes to the next sentence. Nimisha. Nimisha is answering Allah. Nimisha, no. She is giving reply that Allah. Allah means no. Allah is the negative word in Malayalam. Illa. Illa is no. Onnumilla, nothing. Iduvare illa, not it. Ini illa, no longer. Orikkelumilla, never. Etc. are some more examples of negation words in Malayalam. The word Allah is one of the negative words in Malayalam. This lesson, we will discuss about the negative word Allah. It gives the meaning no in English. Allah negates identity. For example, the sentence Amma Doctor Allah, which means mother is not a doctor. Here the word Allah negates the identity. Let's check other examples too. Avan Kallanalla. Here, he is not a thief. Next one, Aval Velakariyalla. She is not a servant. For the be verb Ana, Allah is the negative form. Ningal Shantayude magalano. Are you daughter of Shanta? Answer is Allah. Here, she used the word Allah for no. Then comes to the next sentence. Accountant. Alle. Accountant, isn't it? As we know that the respondent answer was Allah. So, for getting more clarity from the answer word Allah, he is making another question word, that is Alle. Here, the A marker is used with the negative form and negative question word is formed. The usage of Alle is a type of tag questions in English. While pronouncing this Alle shows an emphatic stress. Allah plus A, Alle. Here one emphasizing point, we can feel it. Then Nimisha. ഞാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ശാന്തയുടെ മകളല്ല. എൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ പേര് ഗിരിജാദാസ് ആണ്. നിമിഷ, I am not Dr. Shanta's doctor. My mother's name is Girijadas. This sentence is showing that Allah is the negative form of ആണ്. ഞാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ശാന്തയുടെ മകളല്ല. Then whose daughter? ഗിരിജാദാസിന്റെ മകളാണ്. She is daughter of ഗിരിജാദാസ്. Accountant. ഗിരിജാദാസ് ഡോക്ടർ ആണോ? Accountant. Is Girijadas a doctor? Here also, using the question word marker O, the word ano is seeking confirmation. Then she replied, നിമിഷ, അല്ല, എൻ്റെ അമ്മ ഡോക്ടർ അല്ല, ഒരു സ്കൂൾ ടീച്ചറാണ്. നിമിഷ, no, my mother is not a doctor. She is a school teacher. The above mentioned same concept is applied here. The word Allah is the negative response. Here the word ende means my in English. Accountant. ഏതാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ അമ്മയുടെ സ്കൂൾ? Accountant. Which is your mother's school? Here the question word ഏത് combines with ആണ് and became a single question word ഏതാണ് means which one. Here the direct question word ഏത് which is combining with ആണ് and a new question word ഏതാണ് is formed. Then comes to the next word നിങ്ങളുടെ and അമ്മയുടെ. Here നിങ്ങളുടെ means yours and അമ്മയുടെ means mothers. Both words are having a similar marker ude at the word end. This gives a sense of possessiveness. Here see some more examples too. കുട്ടിയുടെ means child's, അമ്മൂമ്മയുടെ, grandma's. Now we'll come to the next sentence. നിമിഷ, ഭാരതമാത ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂൾ, ഇതാ എൻ്റെ അമ്മ. നിമിഷ, ഭാരത് മാത ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂൾ, here is my mom. The character Nimisha is giving the reply that her mother's school name. It is Bharat Mata Higher Secondary School. The word ida is a referring word. Likewise, the word ada means there can be used as a referring term. The word my mother means ende amma. Here also the word my is used in possessive sense. Accountant. നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലിന്റെ പേര് നാരായണൻ എന്നല്ലേ? Accountant. Isn't your principal's name is Narayanan? Here the tag question marker A is attached with the word Allah and becomes Alle. Here the person who is asking question, he is expecting the answer yes. He needs clarity on that. So he used the question word marker Alle. Girijadas. അതെ, ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലിന്റെ പേര് നാരായണൻ എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ്. Girijadas. Yes, our principal's name is Narayanan. Here answer is Ade. The word Ade is a positive response. This is an affirmative answer to the above question. For the question word Ano, the positive response word is Ade. The word എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് is giving the positive confirmation with assurance. Accountant. ഓഹോ, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ പുതിയ വാടകക്കാരാണ് അല്ലേ? Accountant. Oh, so you are a new tenant, right? In this sentence, the word oho is the expression word. Expression words are rather than meaning, it is express feelings or emotions. For example, the English words like hey, oh, my goodness, alas, wow, etc. are the examples of expression words. Likewise, in Malayalam, also has some expression terms like ayo, amme, how, etc. The next word is appo. It means now. And another word, pudiya, which means new. The words like Vadaga and Vadagakar. Vadaga means rent. Vadagakar means tenant. A tenant is someone who pays the rent for the apartment or house. Here, car is the plural form. The highlighted part is showing plural markers. Some more examples I will give. വീട്ടുകാർ, കൂട്ടുകാർ, നാട്ടുകാർ, വാടകക്കാർ, comes to the next sentence. Girijadas. അല്ല, ഞങ്ങൾ വാടകക്കാർ അല്ല. ഇത് ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്വന്തം വീടാണ്. Girijadas. No, we are not tenants. This is our own house. Here also, Allah negates the identity. She is replying that they are not tenants. Here the word sondam means own, which gives the sense of possess. The word sondam, which tells that something that belongs to the person or thing mentioned, means house is their own, not for rent. Accountant. ഓ ആണല്ലേ, ഇത് വളരെ വലിയ വീടാണല്ലോ. Accountant. ഓ, is that so? This is a very big house, isn't it? Here, O is an expression word. വളരെ വലിയ means very big. It is an adjective or വിശേഷണം. ഗിരിജാദാസ്. അതെ, വലിയ വീടാണ്, പഴയ മോഡലുമാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ ആരാണ്? The word ade gives the positive response. Here, ആരാണ് is the question word. Girijadas. Yes, it is a big house and it is an old model as well. Who are you? Accountant. ഞാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ശാന്തയുടെ പുതിയ അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ് ആണ്. നന്ദി. Accountant. I am Dr. Shanta's new accountant. Thank you. Girijadas. Nandi. Nandi means thank you. The word Nandi is used to express our gratitude, appreciation, acknowledgement or courtesy to anyone. For your better understanding, I will read the entire conversation once again. Accountant. നമസ്കാരം. നിങ്ങൾ ഡോക്ടർ ശാന്തയുടെ മകളാണോ? Accountant. നമസ്തേ. Are you daughter of Dr. Shanta? Nimisha. അല്ല. Nimisha. No. Accountant. അല്ലേ? Accountant. Isn't it? Nimisha. ഞാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ശാന്തയുടെ മകളല്ല. എൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ പേര് ഗിരിജാദാസ് ആണ്. നിമിഷ. I am not Dr. Shanta's daughter. My mother's name is ഗിരിജാദാസ്. Accountant. ഗിരിജാദാസ് ഡോക്ടർ ആണോ? Accountant. Is ഗിരിജാദാസ് is a doctor? നിമിഷ. അല്ല, എൻ്റെ അമ്മ ഡോക്ടർ അല്ല, ഒരു സ്കൂൾ ടീച്ചറാണ്. നിമിഷ. No, my mother is not a doctor. She is a school teacher. Accountant. ഏതാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ അമ്മയുടെ സ്കൂൾ? Accountant. Which is your mother's school? നിമിഷ. ഭാരത് മാത ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂൾ. ഇതാ എൻ്റെ അമ്മ. നിമിഷ. ഭാരത് മാത ഹയർ സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂൾ. ഹിയർ ഈസ് മൈ മോം. അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലിന്റെ പേര് നാരായണൻ എന്നല്ലേ? അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്. Isn't your principal's name is നാരായണൻ? ഗിരിജാദാസ്. അതെ, ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലിന്റെ പേര് നാരായണൻ എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ്. ഗിരിജാദാസ്. യെസ്, our principal's name is നാരായണൻ. അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്. ഓഹോ, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ പുതിയ വാടകക്കാരാണ് അല്ലേ? അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്. ഓ, so you are a new tenant, isn't it? ഗിരിജാദാസ്. അല്ല, ഞങ്ങൾ വാടകക്കാരല്ല, ഇത് ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്വന്തം വീടാണ്. ഗിരിജാദാസ്. No, we are not tenants. This is our own house. അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്. ഓ, ആണല്ലേ, ഇത് വളരെ വലിയ വീടാണല്ലോ. അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്. ഓ, is it that so? This is a very big house, isn't it? ഗിരിജാദാസ്. അതെ, വലിയ വീടാണ്, പഴയ മോഡലുമാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ ആരാണ്? ഗിരിജാദാസ്. യെസ്, it is a big house and it is an old model as well. Who are you? അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്. ഞാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ശാന്തയുടെ പുതിയ അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ് ആണ്. നന്ദി. അക്കൗണ്ടന്റ്. I am Dr. Shanta's new accountant. Thank you. Girijadas. Nandi. Thank you. This conversation, we started with the greeting word namaskaram and finishing with the thanking word nandi. So, you also try to communicate like this way. And try to use the words learned today. Try to do practice also. Today's lesson, we are going to wind up here. We'll meet on next class. Bye. Thank you.